بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. My dear friends, today we are going to continue the remaining part of lesson 6, inshallah, in which we will see the next sentence, Ma hazihi. Hazihi mikwatun. Now see, hazihi is mubtada here, because if you want to see what it is, we have to see it in the answer. Here hazihi is mubtada and mikwatun is khabar. Hence here hazihi is mubtada and ma is khabar. Okay, here it is noun of interrogation ma, and hazihi is ismu ishara lil qarib lil muannath. hazihi mikwatun. hazihi mubtada and mikwatun khabar. What is this? This is an iron. Liman hazihi. Liman, to whom does this? To whom belongs to? Or we can say completely, to whom does this belongs to? Or whose is this? So here liman is khabar and hazihi is mubtada. hazihi mubtada and li khalidin. li is harful jar and khalidin is ism majroor, and this complete is shibu jumla, means a phrase, and it is khabar for this mubtada. This belongs to Khalid. Li is for or belongs to. This is a harf jar, and harf jar makes the noun following it as majroor in genitive case. Ad-darrajatu anasin hazihi. Sorry. Now when this particle of interrogation comes, then it has only two possibilities, yes or no. Is this the cycle of Anas? Hazihi mubtada, darrajatu khabar and mudhaf, and Anasin mudhaf ilayhi. Answer is la, no. hazihi darrajatu ammarin. hazihi mubtada ismu ishara lil qarib lil muqannath. Now here, even though darrajatu is not a human being, it is an object, but the gender of this object is feminine, hence hazihi has been used. Darrajatu, here it is khafif, not taking al and not taking tanween, hence it is mudhaf for this mudhaf ilayhi. And this is mudhaf ilayhi. Next, hazihi jadidatun. hazihi ismu ishara lil qarib lil muannath mubtada, and this is khabar jadidatun. Here the Mubtada and khabar both agree in gender. Here it is the same case. Mubtada and khabar match in terms of gender. Same here. Wa harfu ataf. It is used to connect the two sentences. Now here all these sentences were jumlatun ismiyatun, as those were starting with mubtada. Those were not starting with fi'il. Hence those were jumlatun ismiyatun, each one of them. Here harfu ataf, known as conjunction in English, darrajatu. See, whenever word comes, it is written just before the next word. There is no gap between this harfu ataf and the word following it. This is the rule in Arabic language. Hence, see, darrajatu here is khafif, not accepting al and not accepting tanween, because here it is mudaf for this mudaf ilayhi and mubtada. Mudaf ilayhi, and this is khabar for this mubtada. And the cycle of Anas is old. Here it was, this is new. Here it is saying, and the cycle of Anas is old. Next sentence, hazi'i sa'atu aliyin. See, here it is mubtada and it is ismu ishara lil qarib lil muannath. Here it is, this sa'atu is mudaf and aliin is mudafun ilayhi for sa'atu. Mubtada, and this is khabar for this mubtada. This is the watch of Ali. See here, dhamirun munfasilun lil muannath, mubtada. This is khabar. Jiddan, very. This is very beautiful. See, khabar and mubtada match in terms of gender. Next, hazihi mil'aqatun wa hazihi qidrun. Hazihi mil'aqatun. Hazihi mubtada. Mil'aqatun khabar. Wa harfu ataf. Hazihi mubtada again, and qidrun khabar, one khabar number 2 for this mubtada. Now see, mubtada and khabar are matching in terms of gender. They agree in gender, but in this case, see, there is no pa marbuta at the end. Hence we conclude that qidrun is an exceptional case where it is feminine and it is not ending with pa marbuta. This one, like this one. this is a spoon and this is a pot. Al-mil'aqatu fil qidri. Al-mil'aqatu is mubtada, and fi is harful jar, and al-qidri is ism majroor, and this combination is shibu jumla, and this is whole is khabar for this mubtada. Now here it has not taken tanween because al is here, al is coming at the start. The spoon is in the pot. Hazihi baqaratul fallahi. Hazihi mubtada, baqaratu khabar, wa huwa mudhaf, wa hiya mudhaf, and al-fallahi mudhaf ilayhi. This is the cow of the farmer. Al-fallahi, farmer.